Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add glitch transition effect in CapCut PC. For instance, I'm going to select those images with drag and I set for the image duration in 1.0 second. Go to transition and select the glitch. Select um, glitch option right here. Or just add to drag and adjust body duration in 0.3 second and apply to all the clip. Alright, like so. You can also add the effect. Go to effect and select effect you like to add to your clips. For example, I'm going to select strobe effect and adjust body duration in the same length. And you can also add the audio, text, sticker, and anything you like to add to your videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much.